In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add horizontal and vertical lines in TradingView. If you're just getting started with technical analysis, TradingView is a fantastic tool that allows you to visually analyze financial markets with ease. Adding horizontal and vertical lines to your chart is a quick way to delineate price levels and time points, which can be crucial for your analysis. Let's dive into how you can effectively use this feature on the TradingView platform. First things first, when you open TradingView, you'll notice the interface is pretty intuitive. Look to the left toolbar. This is where you'll be doing a lot of your work today. There's a line tool drop-down that contains all the line options you might need. Click this drop-down menu, which will reveal several line types. Don't worry, it's not overwhelming. Just take a moment to explore the options. Now, for adding either a horizontal or vertical line to your chart, which is what we're focusing on here, select the respective option. If you're analyzing support and resistance levels, a horizontal line is your go-to tool. Alternatively, if you're marking specific time events, like earnings dates or news events, you might want to use a vertical line. Once you've made your choice, the next step is to locate the precise spot on your chart where this line should appear. It's as simple as clicking on that location. With just one click, your selected line will automatically manifest on the chart. If you're not pleased with its position, don't worry. Lines can be easily adjusted by clicking and dragging them to your preferred spot. After your line is placed, double-click on it. This opens up a customization menu. Here, you can really tailor the line to suit your needs. You can choose a color that contrasts well with your chart background for easy visibility. Adjusting the thickness of the line can be particularly helpful if you have a lot going on in your chart and you want certain lines to stand out more than others. Labels can also be added here, providing a neat way to annotate your lines with additional information like date, price level, or even a simple note. Once you're satisfied with your customizations, the final step is to click on OK. This saves your configurations, and your line is now a permanent feature of your chart until you decide otherwise. Your trading analysis has now reached a new level of clarity and sophistication. And there you have it. You've just learned how to add horizontal and vertical lines in TradingView, efficiently marking your chart for better decision-making. Keep practicing, and you'll find this tool to be an indispensable part of your trading toolkit. Thanks for watching, and happy charting!